Well, the first hurdle is the price, and the price is driven by the cost of producing a biosimilar, getting it approved. For instance, if this was just a generic, all you have to prove is bioequivalence, that this molecule is an exact copy of the original small molecule. With a biosimilar, you have to do more. You have to actually do phase 3 trials that show the efficacy and the safety of a biosimilar in patients. Another hurdle that we need to take into account is then the developers of the reference products, of the originator product, of course don't want biosimilars on the market. Let's just be realistic about that. So they will do quite a bit to slow it down. They may challenge patents, they may challenge the approval process. They also try to influence clinicians. They may try to influence patient advocacy organizations. They may try to influence physician organizations, guidelines developers, to just create a little bit more uncertainty that this biosimilar is only similar. It is not the original biological. A third aspect is, let's redo that. Another hurdle has to do with patients. Are patients going to be willing to take a product that is not exactly the original product, the original biological product? They may hear from media or through whatever channels that maybe these products are not as safe as the original biological. And biological agents have more adverse events associated with them, side effects associated with them sometimes, than with small molecules. Take, for instance, again, erythropoietin. Around 2000-2001, there was a very concerning signal with regard to the safety of erythropoietins in the sense of immunogenicity. Then some patients had developed antibodies against erythropoietin alpha, which then counteracted the effect of the drug itself, which means if you're a cancer patient and you're anemic, that you had to be put on transfusion again rather than being able to treat with erythropoietin.